Hello Airsofters, welcome to another game. This is at Airsoft War games. The site's based in Wolverhampton, Telford. It was on the 17th of July and we're down in the wastelands. It's also my first outing with my new ghillie suit as well, so we get to test it out. Hope you enjoy.
Dino. What a hit!
Good, on your left then. Nice.
Second game in the afternoon called Lost Kingdom. Carrying on gameplay from the first morning game, which was to get all the Terminator parts from around the site and build the Terminator, and then the other team had to try to stop him. Hope you enjoy.
Fucking Dave's pissed on me. Dave. Yeah. Okay. That's fucking mad. It's like a gay's fart, isn't it?
This is my first outing with me custom built airsoft gun, which is VSR based, basically on a McMillan TAC338 rifle with a Wolverine bolt installed. Action Army hop-up unit with X Modify booking 65 degree Wolverine bolt, which has got a spring at the front, which means I can do quick follow-up shots. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. It would help a lot. Thank you.
There you go, the barrels.